Men fall in love with women's absence. Let me go ahead and explain. Hello, my name is Carla and restoring healthy mindsets is my thing. I mentioned in a previous video to not be clingy and why being clingy does not work. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you what to do to make a man miss you while you're absent. With whatever he's doing, most of the time, the men that we're attracting are hardworking men. And here's one thing that I don't want you to do. If he's being hardworking and he's spending time at work, don't nag that you miss him, that you want to spend time with him, or complain that he's not there. On the contrary, what I want you to do is be positive, be genuine, be lighthearted whenever you guys are talking on the phone, and always end on a good note. Always treat him right if you guys do live with each other. So that whenever the time comes that he comes back around, he's already going in with the mindset of she's my happy place or she's my peace. And that is so attractive for a woman to provide that lightheartedness and that energy. Because even though you do miss him and you do want to see him, it's best for us not to nag, because this situation is out of his control. So instead, we want to do the opposite. We want to bring joy, peace, and comfort. This is why working on yourself and building that inner peace yourself is important, so that your man can find you addicting.